Every coupe and then you know how it costs. I do not know and I got it. I was just draining myself and I bought it. I was just draining myself and I'm getting my chains and I do what I can when I got it, yeah. Got me the Benz and I'm spending.
I'm in a Mercedes GT S. It's a twin turbo V8, which means that it has 504 horsepower. With me, I got my little bro.
Yeah.
Whenever you guys drive, you guys have to drive safe. It's pretty giant, more than I want it to be, but you know, it works. My package, which I wanted to deliver, we gotta go to a different place. You guys can hear that. First we open, this is a loud car. You can actually like open up the exhaust valves right here, like the valves. This is the AMG GT S 2017. If you guys love it, let me know in the comments. It's very close to that, but don't worry, you won't touch it. I just love accelerating with it. The engine is in the front. That's why the front is like very big. It's like giant. It's bigger than the McLaren.
Got me the Benz and I'm spending.
We're actually gonna eat some pho. Look, read that up. That's AMG. And when I say it's giant, it is giant, okay? It's pretty long, but it's whatever. I love it. It's one of the best cars I've actually driven. It's a turbo V8. Let me show you what it says right here. It says AMG GT S right there. This will be our spot.
I was just draining myself in the coupe.
Like and subscribe.
We just came out the place. It is raining, unfortunately for us. We'll do the revving at the beach. This is inside the window stuff. You guys already know what that is. This is pretty decent. Oh, I opened it. Let's lock it. Pretty sure you can see it right there. This is what the dashboard looks like. I have some buttons right here. There's some home stuff over here in case I don't want to be touching this thing right here. This whole side right here is designed to control this. This is the start and stop engine. You basically have to put your foot on the brake and then... Yo, Luke, how you doing, bro? I'm about to rev it. This is my dedication to the channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the supercars I can. This right here, big recap, it's a twin turbo V8. Not just loud, but actually like very nice inside. It's got some good, decent luxury. The sound. I pretty much love this car. It's so fancy, so luxury. Everything about it is just beautiful. One of the best cars I've ever driven. I just turned 21. Subscribe, activate the notification bell, and leave in the comments what you guys think of this car. You gotta tell me. Hey, yo, Luke.
Hey.
So right now, I have to like stretch out or something because I don't want to be like leaning over or whatever, but it's very low than you'd actually expect. To be honest, it's actually higher than the Lamborghini. If you guys love this, you guys love supercars, right now in the comments below, tell me exactly what you guys think and tell me which one I should get next, an Audi R8 or a Corvette.
Baby, you know that we get in the blue.